I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful you decided to do Mystery Quilt with us this year. We are having so much fun. So many beautiful pictures are posted. Make sure visit our blog so you can get the directions for cutting, what fabric we're using. And I'm making 2 quilts. One is from the Perfect Union collection. That's the one I'm showing you right there. But I'm also creating a second quilt using our linen texture collection. And I cannot tell you, it is just going to be amazing. It's going to be like a little rainbow. So I hope by now you decide your fabric, what colors you're working with it. If you need more information about that, make sure you visit our first blog where we listed all of the fabrics and all the ideas. It is true mystery. And remember to print out a grid for yourself or count out a grid so you can start placing your blocks in it. Today we are working on block number 4 and I am so excited for you. I chose the one light background fabric and I chose a dark blue and a medium blue. I'm super excited. This block is so simple. Guess what? Today we're gonna be making a simple half square triangle. We're gonna need one light and one dark fabric just like this, and all that we're going to do is place them right sides together just like this. Place it right side together, use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew it up. This is gonna be amazing, and we're gonna go ahead and now press it. We're gonna push the seam towards the blue. I know this is so amazing, so simple. And you're going to make 8 of this option and you're gonna make 8 of the second option. So you have 2 colors that you have to do it, 8 and 8 of those. And as soon as you finish, you can go ahead, grab a pair of scissors and clip your bunny ears just like this, or you can go ahead and use our beautiful ruler, place it right in the middle of the block, right there. That line needs to be right in the middle of that seam, and trim it, trim this one, and keep going. I have few of those to press it and clean it up. I always love press my blocks and square things out, so I better get to work. I hope you're enjoying our mystery quilt this year and making a beautiful blocks. I can't wait to see you tomorrow, and I wish you happy quilting. Remember to tag us on your pictures so we can see your progress.